everybody, it's Sakshi. In today's Diwali Special episode, we are making flaky, aromatic green pistachio cookies. Let's see how these are made. We start with whisking together 55 grams of ghee until it's light and fluffy. It should be in a solid state at room temperature. Add in 40 grams of powdered sugar and whisk again until cloud-like fluffy as shown. We then add in 80 grams of maida or refined flour and a pinch of baking soda in 2 parts while gently mixing it with the ghee. 1.5 tablespoons of 15 grams of chickpea flour or besan, 20 grams of ground pistachio, a pinch of salt, and about half a teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. I also like to add in 2 to 3 drops of green food color and pistachio essence. Both are optional, but they bring in a very nice color and look to the cookies. We put in a little bit of milk and bring together the dough, and we'll gently mold them into biscuits. Feel free to mold or shape them into any size of your choice. I'm going for simple round cookies today. These are real quick to put together and last for about a month, so are the best for the festive season. We now bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until brown from the edges and nice and crisp. Once cooled, I love to jazz them up with some drizzled white chocolate, ground pistachios, and dried rose petals. Let me show you how they look on the insides. They are so crisp and flaky. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please do give it a try. And I'll wish you and your families a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!